Let's say they filled out a web request or reached out to us. How Jason could start that conversation. Hey Matt, Jason Bynack, I'm in charge of helping our new practices here, wanted to reach out to you personally. When I say that, just wanted to reach out to you personally, all of a sudden my credibility goes through the roof, and that person's gonna be like, oh wow, this is, I'm lucky to be having this call. And you guys are great, you work really hard. They are lucky to be talking with you. And it's really weird how little changes in your wording. If you can just say, wanted to reach out to you personally. Yeah, hey Matt, how's it going? It's going great. What can I get you information on? Now all of a sudden I've set my credibility, and then when I'm saying, what can I get you information on? I want that person to re-say what they wanted to know about, because now I'm not trying to say this is psychological warfare, but I want them to act like if Jason was going to ask me about Easton University sales training, and I see that there's an inbound lead, and Jason had questions on Easton University sales training. Instead of saying, hey Jason, Matt Easton University wanted to follow up with you. Sounds like you've got some questions, right? Not good. It's not skillful. It reeks of like salesy and pushiness. But if I just say, hey Jason, Matt Easton, founder at Easton University, wanted to reach out to you personally, saw that you had pinged the support team. Yeah, thanks Matt, thanks. No problem, what can I get you information on? Well, we're thinking about doing some live training for our people. Awesome. What research have you done on our live training? Now I'm creating an environment where that other person is volleying over their request, and I'm helping them each time they ask me for something. It's much different than if I'm constantly volleying stuff over to Jason and he's trying to receive that. Because if I'm saying things like, hey, I want to talk to you about this, and this, all Jason's going to be is like, I don't want that, not interested in that, quit talking to me about that. The more we can engage that other person and have them ask us for help, the more they're going to be in a position of, wow, this person is really helping me. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. It's little nuanced differences that make a huge difference in how people will interact with you, whether it's over the phone or in person.